So when you go to account top up, you're gonna input my promo code, which is Emma. You can see that when you deposit $100, you will receive $150 on your account just because you use my promo code. So don't forget to do that. Hi darlings, this is Emma and welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I look and feel like a true business lady. I am a true business lady, but sometimes I prefer to be trading in cute little dresses. But today I felt like a suit kind of day. So today's session on Pocket Option is going to be very official with a whole bunch of cool tools and instruments that are going to help me make the most informed decisions and make them profits. So let's not wait any further and let's jump into it. All right? Okay. For today's session, I'm picking not one, not two, not even three, but 4 different instruments. So let's get them. MACD, the Supertrend, the Zigzag, yes, here we go, and the Parabolic SIR, you got it. Okay, now we're going to set everything up accordingly. So we have the precision that we need, and we always need it. I never forget to tell you that. So for the maximum acceleration, it's going to be 2.25. That's right. And we'll save it. Okay. Pam, pam, pam. And MACD, we still have to set it up properly. And we'll do it right now. Okay. Pam, pam, pam. And when it comes to styles, all right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's zoom in and see. Okay, and I'm gonna leave $200 for the insurance amount. So I'm gonna start with 100. I think it's a great amount, lots of potential. So let's take a closer look. So right now, the price is starting a downward trend from 0.54. Hi. So we're gonna open a put option as the Parabolic SIR signals a drop, and the expectation here for the price is to approach and break through the super trend line. And hold on a second, the oscillator and the zigzag indicators are also pointing to a decline. So I do believe it's going to drop, and let's wait for it. All right, guys, and if you are interested in learning more about trading in a way that helps you to make the profits every time you trade, you're gonna subscribe to my TG channel. I left the link below and go and check it out. You'll find a whole bunch of useful information that gets you the same results. $192. I do believe it's a great start. So let's keep going. Okay, let's pick the next asset pair here and see what we can do with this. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep the beat at 100 for now. And let's see. Well, we are expecting a break below the super trend line. The Parabolic SIR and MACD both indicate a short. However, yes, it's going to be a put option. I was gonna say, however clear the signal is, you're always going to look at all the instruments you have at your disposal, because this is crucial. This is really, really important, trust me. And the more instruments you know how to use, the better your trading game is going to be. So pay attention. Boo! The price bounced off the line instead. I should have waited for the line to be breached before entering, but I rushed into it, and that's my mistake. Make sure you don't make the same mistake and never rush into anything when it comes to trading. Sometimes waiting is better. So let's move on to the next one, and I'm going to increase the bid to $200 to offset our loss. And let's see. Well, right now the price breaks above the parabolic SAR line, signaling further growth. And MACD supports the upward movement. So as the trend is shifting to bullish, we're gonna open a call option here and wait for that rise. Yes. All right. I was gonna ask you guys, what is your favorite healthy dessert? Because recently I remembered that when I was a kid, my grandma used to cook the apples. She kind of like boiled them with cinnamon and honey, and it was so delicious and so healthy too. It's really, really healthy. And yes, amazing. $384 is my new win. Okay, we are back on track, and that is amazing. Well, how about Bitcoin OTC? Yes. And I think I'm going to keep the bid at 200 for now. Yes. I don't want to go any further in terms of the bid. And you know what? It's a put option because the price bounces off the zigzag line and MACD aligns with the short position. So I am anticipating the price approaching the super trend line. So it's gonna go down. So what I was gonna say about the apples, I had such a nostalgic moment that I decided to recreate this dish from my childhood, and I actually boiled them in just a little bit of water. They're kind of like steamed apples with cinnamon and honey, and it's so good. I ate like a whole ball in 5 minutes and I was so happy. Yes, you know what also makes me happy? $384 that I just made. Oh my god, amazing. Okay, it's time for the next asset pair and for the next beat. Let's see, which one are we gonna pick? What's the market situation like? So many questions to answer. I think it's good. I'm still gonna keep the beta at 200 because I don't see a point in increasing it right now. So, well, this asset here that I picked is in the prolonged downtrend. The oscillator signals a decline and the zigzag indicator shows lower lows with the super trend supporting the short position. So let's go for it. Let's wait for a drop. Guys, if you are in any way struggling with your trading game and your trading journey is not as successful as you want it to be, I highly recommend you to check out my Telegram channel. You will find the link below because that's where you'll find the most effective strategies, the best signals, and unique tools I'm using that will help you make the profits too. God, the market got so volatile that my option didn't work out. But the overall trend remained unchanged, and that happens too. Don't get me wrong, that happens. We are going to go for the next beat and add something here. Yes, you got it. It's a trend line, one of my favorite instruments. And with the proper adjustments, it's going to be really helpful. So somewhat around here. And I'm going to increase the bid to $450 to offset our losses. And let's see what's going on here. So I can see a very stable uptrend confirmed by the trend line and by the zigzag indicators. So the price is continuing to rise, and it's also supported by the parabolic SAR and the oscillator. So we're gonna go for a long here, and I think it's the only choice we have. You know what I mean? So let's wait for it. So what I was saying about sudden changes in the market situation, that is totally okay. Like, I get it. It's quite unpleasant. It can be upsetting, but don't let it bring you down, because this and eyes on the goal, you gotta keep going and you gotta keep winning. Yes, $864 is the profit, and I think it's simply amazing, isn't it? We had some rough moments today. We had market giving us some surprises, but I managed to earn money, and that's what matters at the end of the day. And I mean, it's a nice profit, don't you think? So guys, if you want to know how to deal with the losses, how to use the most effective strategies, tools, and instruments, as well as unique signals, you can get it all on my TG channel. You'll find the link below, so go and check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because new videos are coming very soon. I'm really happy to be doing it for you and with you, and thank you so much for your feedback, for all your likes, views, and comments. That means the world to me. You are amazing. Stay that well, stay that way, and happy trading. Bye bye.